We need to go to stock picks. When you're going with South African government bonds.
Yeah, look, I know there's been a strong rally in the last while. I mean, they've rallied actually very strongly. But, if things carry on the way they are now and we look a bit better and inflation, stays at 4.5%, 10% yield is still a 10% yield is still very, very good. I mean, that's 6 real. That can go down. I think, the long bond could go to 9. So you get a bit of capital appreciation. So, yeah, I mean, I know that it's already rallied a lot, but I still think there is more in the SA long bonds.
I take your point. Rates aren't bad, and you're still going to get potentially some capital appreciation. Drikus, you're going with African Oil listed in Toronto.
Yeah, so 2 big assets inside African Oil. The one is offshore Nigeria. Those assets alone, minus the debt, well, they haven't got any debt now, I'm lying. Net debt is 0. So that's basically $2.50. So it's trading at about 30% plus discount to only the Nigerian assets, and that they basically valuing those assets at a very demanding discount rate. And then the other asset is located offshore Namibia, in the Oranje River Basin. And basically none of the upside is on the books, from accounting perspective yet. It's basically, at book cost. And you've got all that upside. All the while they're sitting, buying back shares, with the cash that they have. They're paying a small dividend. So I see shareholder returns, from dividends and buybacks, looking at double digits, low double digits, 10% maybe, going forward. Plus you've got this big discount. Plus, if the oil price rallies back $10, you've got the upside, participation in the oil price as well. So that's one of the ways we're playing the energy market.
Okay, no, cool. I'd never heard of the stock before. Obviously, I know Toronto, but I hadn't heard of African Oil. That's it for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Drikus Combrinck from Capicraft. He went with African Oil, listed in Toronto. Wayne McCurrie from FNB Wealth and Investments, going with South African government bonds. Up next, the close. Stay tuned. Thank you.